Hi, Zeev Bomzon, lead scientist at LifeBridge Innovations here. In previous talks, we discussed the technical features of the LB10000, how they enable ATTF, a breakthrough in what can be achieved with tumor treating fields. In this talk, we're going to talk about patient experience and usage with the LB10000. We will talk about how the LB10000 is designed with patient comfort in mind and why this is crucial for successful treatment. For TT fields therapy to be effective, consistent usage is everything. The more consistently patients use the therapy, the better their outcomes. The bar chart on this slide shows the results of a study investigating how usage, the percent of time patients were on active TT fields therapy, affects overall survival in glioblastoma patients. Median overall survival is a measure of how long patients survived after starting therapy. Notice how overall survival increases with usage, demonstrating the importance of usage for successful treatment. But maintaining high usage isn't easy, especially with today's technology. Current TT field systems rely on large and rigid arrays. They're often bulky, difficult to conceal, and uncomfortable for long-term wear. Arrays are typically replaced only every few days, making showering and bathing a challenge. And wearing the device can also interfere with sleep, mobility, and daily routines. The LB10000 was built to change that, placing patient comfort and ease of use at the heart of the design. It starts with a non-rigid structure. As you can see in this picture, the transducers are small and connected by flexible wires that move naturally with the body. The array is customized to fit each patient, conforming to their bodies instead of forcing them to adapt to the device. Note how the arrays conform to the mannequin in this picture. Just as important, the transducers are applied and adhere to the body using a washable, water-based gel. This allows patients to easily remove and reapply the device for daily hygiene, physical activity, or comfort, without compromising the consistency of treatment or usage. With LB10000, patients can integrate TT fields therapy into their routines rather than reshaping their routines around the therapy. In short, better patient comfort and usability lead to better usage, and better usage leads to better outcomes. Well, that brings us to the end of this series of talks, so let's summarize. Let's begin with a summary and overview of TT fields. TT fields, tumor treating fields, are electric fields in the frequency range of 100 to 500 kHz that disrupt cancer cell division. Clinical trials have shown that treatment with TT fields increases survival for patients with multiple types of cancer. TT fields are safe, and the only known side effect is localized skin irritation that occurs beneath the transducers. Current devices for TT fields therapy use fixed arrays. This results in several limitations. First, they can only be used to target tumors in one region of the body. Also, they cannot dynamically adapt the fields as tumors change. They are limited to delivery of TT fields from two directions, despite studies suggesting that delivering the field from more directions is beneficial, and they suffer from poor heat management that can limit field intensity. Finally, they can be uncomfortable for patients to wear, leading to reduced usage. Adaptive tumor treating fields, ATTF, delivered with the LB10000 addresses all these issues. In the LB10000, each transducer in the array is independently switchable, allowing real-time control of field shape and direction, targeting multiple tumor sites with greater precision. This design also enables delivery of fields from more than two directions and better heat management, leading to delivery of higher field intensities. In addition, the device is designed with patient comfort at its heart, enabling higher usage, which is associated with better patient outcomes. The combination of these features is a breakthrough, expected to improve the lives of cancer patients everywhere. It will enable new applications and begin a new era for TT fields therapy that will impact quality of life and longevity for millions of cancer patients around the globe.